अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे दोस्तों, आज हम सीखेंगे 1 to 10 काउंटिंग एंड एडिशन। तो 1 फुटबॉल, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 babies, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 3 boxes, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 4 flowers, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 5 ducks, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 6 hens, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 7 apples, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 8 balls, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 9 cartoons, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And the last one, 10 fishes. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10.